बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब? मैं आशा करती हूँ आप लोग एकदम मज़े में होंगे। सो आइए नया टॉपिक स्टार्ट करते हैं, ब्रिटिश रूल एंड स्ट्रगल फॉर फ्रीडम। रेडी हैं आप सब? लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड बच्चों। गिवन बिलो आर सम ऑफ द फेमस फ्रीडम फाइटर्स ऑफ इंडिया। आइडेंटिफाई द नेम देम and let's proceed further. Arrival of European traders. Since ancient times, India has been known for its spices, pearls, gold and silk. The Arab sailors who crossed the Arabian Sea were the first to trade with India. Vasco da Gama, a Portuguese sailor, discovered a direct sea route from Europe to India in 1498 by sailing around Africa. The Portuguese landed at Calicut in Kerala, now called Kozhikode, and started trading spices. The Dutch, the English and the French followed and set up their own trading centers to control the trade in India and earn more profits. Traders started fighting amongst themselves. So finally, the British defeated the other trade rivals. In 1600, the British established the English ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी फॉर ट्रेडिंग इन इंडिया। तो सबको डिफीट करते हुए उन्होंने अपनी ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी एस्टेब्लिश कर ली इंडिया में। They established trading centers on the western and eastern coast and they primarily bought spices and textiles from India at lower cost and sold them at higher prices overseas. तो वहाँ से उन्होंने कम रेट्स पे लेना शुरू किया और ज़्यादा कॉस्ट पर बेचना शुरू कर दिया। British control. When the Mughal ruler Jahangir allowed British traders to establish trading centers in India, they built large godowns to store the goods. The first center was established at Surat in 1608, followed by Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai and a few places in Bihar and Bengal. The political situation in India was very weak, which gave an opportunity to the British to build forts and set up armies in their trading centers. तो जब अपने हम लोग क्यों, आपको पता है हम लोग क्यों लाइक उन्होंने हमें अपने उसमें, अब हमें क्यों इंडिपेंडेंस नहीं थी हमारे पास? क्योंकि हम लोग खुद से स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं थे। हमारा पॉलिटिकल जो हमारी सिचुएशन चल रही थी वो बहुत वीक चल रही थी, सब आपस में लड़ते रहते थे। इसका फ़ायदा अंग्रेज़ों ने उठाया और जब उन्होंने देखा कि ये लोग खुद में ही बिजी हैं लड़ने में, तो उन्होंने अपनी आर्मी सेट कर ली, अपने आप को स्ट्रॉन्ग बना लिया। एंड दे क्लेम दे वर डूइंग सो टू प्रोटेक्ट देयर ट्रेडिंग सेंटर्स, बट दे वर प्रिपेयरिंग देमसेल्व्स टू एस्टैब्लिश देयर रूल इन इंडिया. Therefore, the Nawab of Bengal, Sirajuddaulah, was opposed to the building of forts around British trading sites. He insisted that the British demolish their forts. The British opposed the Nawab and fought a war against him in 1757. तो उन्होंने इसके against आवाज़ उठाई, but उन्होंने उसे हरा दिया. Right, and this war was referred to as the Battle of Plassey and it was fought under the leadership of Robert Clive. The British defeated the Nawab and established the British East India Company in India. The British disunited the Indian rulers on the basis of caste and religion. They adopted the policy of divide and rule. इनको बांटो, इनको ये लड़ रहे हैं, इनको लड़वाओ और रूल करो। And ruled over India for next 100 years. So बच्चों, अपने घर में आप जो भी करते हैं बाहर वाले लोग उसका फ़ायदा ना उठाएं, ये बात याद रखिएगा। Anger and disaffection among Indians. Once the East India Company had established its control in India, they began to exploit the people. India was a source of low-cost raw materials for their factories in the United Kingdom. Instead of cultivating food crops, Indian farmers were forced to grow crops such as indigo and cotton. These crops were purchased at very low prices and sold at very high prices in England and other countries. As a result, the farmers suffered and became poor while the British made ह्यूज प्रॉफिट्स। तो ये सब चीज़ें करने से उन लोगों को ये कहा गया कि आप इस तरह की फसलें उगाइए और ऐसी फसलों को कम रेट पर ख़रीदा जाता था और बाहर अच्छे रेट्स पर प्राइसेस पर बेच दिया जाता था, जिससे क्या हुआ कि हमारे देश के किसान गरीब होने शुरू हो गए और ब्रिटिश को प्रॉफिट मिलने लग गया। यही सब होते होते कंडीशन ख़राब होती गई हमारे फार्मर्स की। द मिल्क क्लोथ्स मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन ब्रिटेन वर सोल्ड इन इंडिया. These clothes were cheaper and of better quality than the cloth made by local weavers. The Indian handloom industry suffered and the workers became poorer. The British also did not allow the Indians to establish mills and factories. And the British made unjust laws to take control of more and more kingdoms. One such regulations was Doctrine of Lapse, which stated that if a king died without child, his kingdom would be taken over by the British. यानी कोई भी राजा अगर बिना संतान के इस दुनिया से चला जाता है तो उसका सारा साम्राज्य किसको मिल जाएगा? ब्रिटिश के अंडर आ जाएगा. The British tried to increase their influence over India by enacting such unjust laws and using unfair means. But the dissatisfaction and anger of Indians led to spark of the revolt. अब इतना सहते सहते उनके अंदर एक चिंगारी उठने लग गई और उन्होंने उनके खिलाफ खड़ा होना शुरू कर दिया. Revolt of 1857, the first war of independence. Even before the revolt started, there were several months of tension among the Indian soldiers because of the new rifle called Enfield they had to use. A rumor spread that cartridges were greased with the fat of cows and pigs. अब उनकी चर्बी से ये बनाए जाते हैं इनके जो कार्ट्रिज हैं, तो इसलिए उनको क्योंकि मुंह से निकालना पड़ता था तो उन्होंने लाइक उनके सब तरफ खबर फैल गई कि नई राइफल आया और उसमें काऊ और पिग्स की चर्बी यूज़ हो रही है. दिस वॉज अगेंस्ट द रिलीजियस बिलीव्स ऑफ बोथ हिंदू एंड मुस्लिम सोल्जर्स. इंडियन सोल्जर्स रिफ्यूज टू यूज दिस राइफल्स एंड रिवोल्टेड. This sparked off a revolt which soon spread across northern India and became a mass rebellion. The revolt started at Meerut. It was joined by farmers, craftsmen and other sections of society. The soldiers declared Bahadur Shah Jafar, the last Mughal emperor, as their leader. The revolt very quickly spread to other parts of India. Different leaders led the revolution in different parts of India. Some of the prominent leaders of the revolt were Nana Sahib, Tantia Tope, Rani Lakshmibai and Liaquat Ali. After the revolt, the first war of independence was suppressed by the English. Many factors were responsible for its failures. It was not led by any effective mass leader. It did not spread to all parts of India. It was not supported by all Indians. Indian soldiers did not have sufficient guns and latest weapons, whereas English soldiers had sufficient funds and modern weapons. ये reason था lose करने का. The British government in Britain put an end to the East India Company and directly took charge. Queen Victoria was declared the Empress of India and Indian princes were allowed to rule over their kingdom, but they were under the control of a viceroy who was appointed and represented by the Queen. Bringing social changes throughout the 1800s, the feeling of nationalism grew stronger among Indians. Indians developed a deeper sense of nationalism. The British introduced modern education to Indians. The educated Indians began to demand various social and religious reforms. Some of the great social leaders at that time were Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Annie Besant, Devendra Nath Tagore, Dayanand Saraswati and Syed Ahmad Khan. They spoke out against social evils such as killing female babies, child marriage, sati and caste system. They also encouraged the education of women and remarriage of widows. बहुत काम किया था इन्होंने इन सब चीज़ों के लिए. The Indian National Congress, Mr. A.O. Hume, a retired civil official, founded the Indian National Congress in 1885 with the help of educated Indians. Shri W.C. Banerjee presided over the inaugural session which was held in Mumbai. The session was attended by 72 delegates. The Congress quickly spread throughout the country and soon became the nation's voice. In its annual session, the Congress demanded that Indians be allowed to manage their own affairs. The most important leaders of the Congress were Dada Bhai Naroji, S.N. Banerjee, Gopal Krishna Gokhale and Badruddin Tayabji, and their main goal was to win Swaraj or self-rule for Indians. They believed in methods of patience and persuasion. They were referred to as the moderates. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Lal Bal Pal, ये तीनों and others were against having moderate attitude. They believed that the strong attitude against the British was needed to solve their problems. They were referred to as the extremists, and Bal Gangadhar Tilak tried to draw the common people and the youth towards the struggle for freedom. He wrote against the British Raj in his paper Kesari. He declared, "Freedom is my birthright and I shall have it." Yes, ये इनकी लाइन थी बच्चों, that freedom is my birthright and I shall have it. Try to answer. Write T for true and F for false statement. Partition in Bengal, in India, feelings of nationalism were growing stronger and this became a source of anxiety for the British. उनको चिंता होने लगी थी कि इतना तनाव, इतना ज़्यादा लोगों ने उनके अगेंस्ट खड़ा होना शुरू कर दिया, and they adopted the divide and rule policy. Lord Curzon, the Viceroy of India at that time, announced the partition of Bengal on July 1905. One part of it would have Muslims and other would have Hindus as a majority. तो उन्होंने ये टेक्निक अपनाकर उनको डिवाइड करने की कोशिश की थी ताकि वो रूल कर सकें. The Swadeshi and boycott movement, at a largely attended meeting in August 1905, it was decided to boycott British goods. It meant using goods made in India only. Students and women also joined this movement. They organized processions and did not allow people to reach shops which sold foreign goods. The British could not face this movement. They had to take back the decision of the partition in Bengal in 1911. Revolutionaries, following the partition of Bengal, various young Indians began to use violent means to fight against the British, and they organized groups to fight the British and were willing to give their lives for the sake of the country. They were referred to as revolutionaries. This movement spread throughout India. Some of the great revolutionaries of that time were Aurobindo Ghosh, Khudiram Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Udham Singh, who were all significant revolutionaries. इनके लिए इनका मुकाबला कोई नहीं कर सकता. जो इन्होंने अपने देश के लिए किया, शायद हम कभी सोच भी नहीं सकते बच्चों. Knowledge booster Chandrasekhar Azad was apprehended by the police at age 15 while participating in the movement, and Banaras, now Varanasi, he gave his name as Azad, Urdu, free or liberated, and his address as prison. World War I and after, in 1914 World War I broke out and many Indians helped the British government in the war. They thought that they would grant freedom to India. उन्हें लगा था ऐसा कि ऐसा करने से, उनका साथ देने से शायद उन्हें आज़ादी मिल जाएगी, which did not happen. To recover the losses they suffered in the war, and the government enacted strict laws and imposed extra taxes. After a long stay in South Africa, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, a lawyer, returned to India in 1915, and he taught Indians a new way to fight injustice. He believed that there is always a peaceful way of doing things. Yes, उन्होंने यही सिखाया कि लड़ने से सिर्फ सब कुछ नहीं होता है, हम अहिंसा से, बिना लड़े भी, शांति से भी कुछ काम कर सकते हैं. He took over the leadership of the independence movement. So बच्चों, आई होप आपने बहुत अच्छे से इस चैप्टर को सुना होगा. तो चलिए कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स के साथ रैप अप करते हैं. लेट्स रैप अप द चैप्टर. Since ancient times, India has been known for its spices, pearls, gold and silk, and the Arab sailors who crossed the Arabian Sea were the first to trade with India. Once the East India Company has established its control in India, they began to exploit the people. Even before the revolt of 1857 started, there were several months of tension among the Indian soldiers because of new rifle called Enfield they had to use. Throughout the 1800s, the feelings of nationalism grew stronger among Indians. This is A.O. Hume, a retired civil official, and founded the Indian National Congress in 1885 with the help of educated Indians. Following the partition of Bengal, various young Indians began to use violent means to fight against the British. In 1914, World War broke out. Many Indians helped the British government in the war. It was my part. Now it's your turn, बच्चों. Checkpoint. Let's have a look on A part. Tick the correct answer. तो choose कीजिए correct option to get the correct answer. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. आपको ये blank fill करना है with the help of your chapter. Write short answers and write answers in detail. Short answers should be in 3-4 lines, and long answers you have to explain those answers, right? Hots, do you think the Emperor Jahangir was right in allowing the British to come and trade in India? Explain. Picture based question. Observe the picture to your right and answer the following questions. Map work. On an outline map of India, mark the following important places of the 1857 revolt. About our country, which was the first successful satyagraha of Mahatma Gandhi after returning from South Africa? Project activity. With the help of the internet, create a timeline of the first freedom struggle for the independence of India. Write the important events of the following years to complete the chart. And while doing this activity, have fun, bachcho. Enjoy.